Guys, so it's the next day. On the road with Max, but she's driving, so she can't really look. But guys, I'm stressed right out. This after I just done edit, upload the video with me reacting to Megan and Cardi's song WAP. Me say YouTube after I uploaded 2 times now, YouTube tell me this copyright thing. Say I have them things in my video, and now them I block it from you guys. So them so I've really redo a retake and re-eval, and then I just do something else to it and just upload it again, so you guys are able now to see it and watch it. And yeah, I'm linking it right here, so you're gonna see it. So Max is fully on the road, and we're out and stunting today. Simple Friday.
Part-time on the road. Yes, I'm fully no, father, good and great, God.
It's quite hot today, I'm not telling a lie. It was a bit raining this week, and it just go right back to square one in the summer, right back to square one. But guys, see you when we're gonna get there.
Again, I don't want to tell you.
Max, even if you line up, come on, you might get in now.
Yeah,
yeah.
Okay.
Them not have a problem.
What's the problem why you want to lock here? You like it?
Yeah, I like the style. It's probably just for the.
So you plan to come to church?
No.
You plan to go up a bubble here? Up and down?
No.
You come to church with lock here?
We just say, well, I'm going to still take the mic as I bless the name of the Lord. Hallelujah. We worship the name of the Lord. So what I'm to hold on, say a Rasta can't come in a church?
I've never seen one in our church at this point.
Yeah, we've never seen one in our church.
I'm not saying it can't happen, but I've never seen one in our church.
But first, before I lock it, the Max, I go it up. So I'm going it up.
You don't hear like Damien?
I will get Damien though.
Crawford?
Yeah, that'll be that one. That lock there, one day.
Damien, big up yourself, you know. Love Damien straight.
But before, so I go it out though. Like, fade it, I can do a high fade.
You know, I don't want to see when tired, you hear them some of them?
A high fade?
I don't want to see when tired, you're growing no more than this. I just start drive. If I drive it, I just have a plastic back on partition.
It's not that
so
bad.
Block you out. Oh. You don't look good when you're eye. You don't look good. When I other thing I know. Your ear for low, when your ear low, you jump out, okay? So if you're interested in meeting somebody, any at all, if you get married in the near future, you can. I love staying there, but don't you mind lock down this again through the quarantine people?
Mighty is our God.
Never, I bet me all day, but now stop talking about it, man. Talking to me, I saturate the atmosphere.
She's saturating the atmosphere right now, even
yeah.
now. I said, what about me? I buy myself the Benz all the same.
I buy myself no dear vehicle, somebody for buy it for me.
I buy myself a Porsche.
Man never promised to buy me a model, and I'm taking him by his word. He haven't promised me that, and it's more than one time. Say if I'm a 4 Mercedes. And when he said, Auntie, remember going to buy it? I said, then vegan meat. I said, look, boy, how much now? I'm just going to drive up on the street, up in that. No, I just, boy, I couldn't stop crying. I cried for about a month. They buy me the Audi. I just start crying, I wonder what happened to me.
You know, I want to put that. Guys, you soon come back, my storage I run low. I'm a need for.
How would you know the phone name girlfriend can buy people?
Guys, it's 64. It's 64 gigabytes, and my back it like Max. It's 64 is not a lot.
I want a memory card too.
And this can use memory card. That's something I need for up.
I'm gonna get myself one on the road. Not today, but next week also. What's happening, girl? Taxi man, stop. Forget a passenger. Hey, block everything like you're complaining by yourself.
Guys, you soon come back. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, why am I in the sun? Church has just ended, so I'm going on the road with Max. I don't know exactly what I've planned, but I'm currently walking, guys. So it was a blessing. Just jump a while ago. Blessing, part of a blessing. It was absolutely amazing, and I'm so excited to be here at church. I'm gonna be leaving right now. It looks so oversaturated, but guys, let's go on the road. King Will Squad. Guys, look at the beach though. I need to come get these Ari vibes in my life. Good night. Hi. I hope you are doing well. I'm starting this vlog right here. It's a surprise for you. You don't know about it, but until you know about it right soon. So I'm really excited on it. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Don't cuss me out. But Jody knew about it and I'm you one. Pat knew about it right there, sir. Everybody know about it. Everybody know the whole universe. My ear, everybody know. Everybody know that one, yeah. So yes. Like them lock off Odette, so you have come now, so I go put my phone. Odette, are you away from here? Odette, you see them make a little birthday thing for you right there. The girl come now.
Thank you so much,
Kadisha and Adrian. Odette.
So
oh my god.
Surprise!
Max? Why my Max must just look like she just Max, what happened? Max. Talk to the people, man. Why you not talking? Alright, Max. I hear you.
Seems.
Max. Guys, you see Max in a full black? She's in full black, guys. All her ear black and everything.
My morning. My friend George died this morning.
Mighty deliverer. Guys, we'll soon come back.
All my favorite stuff.
You got, tell me what you got.
So, I don't like every fruit. So I got pie, I got donuts, and it's my favorite.
It's a pizza. It was just like a Max.
Over the years, I've come to realize that I don't know, for some reason, he's the youngest one, and I don't know. She always for me, you know. She's like our sister here.
I'm ready to tell you always been love, always been friendship. I loved you before I loved your brother. We were friends, close friends with me, yes. There were times when I didn't like her brother, but I liked her because we've always had a good friendship.
If you know it very well, you know it's very positive. I mean, for I was saying, but it is very, very positive. And if it's something about it, you say serious. Odette, that's her name. Now, 30 years old, but she's so full of joy and full of life. Being in her presence just lifts yours. You know, that's one of those things. She's always laughing about some of the weirdest things. Always dying up with laughter. Odette, you are so special to me, that Bonnie, and you mean so much. You mean so much, and you got my life so positive. And for that, I want to thank you so much. And Yakabal, because she knows, and I want to say happy birthday so much.
Likes to achieve, does not want to stay at the same level.
Something positive on the other part that I go to happy birthday, birthday. I remember when I was getting there, I said I go to because going about it home, I would say you're at the right age for some amazing things to happen.
No, guys, I would not have been able to capture everybody's speech as several persons spoke, and the speeches were very lengthy. And as you know, iMovie Max is out at 50 minutes when uploading from a mobile device, and so that is why I'm not able to upload or have everybody's speech included. But a lot of love was going towards Odette on her birthday, as she is a very special individual to us all and we love her dearly. Now right now you're seeing us playing a game, so just keep on chilling and watching this vlog because it's gonna be lit. Okay, finna be lit. Alright, so hi guys, I'm kickstarting this vlog right now. I'm actually before I tell you where I go, so today I'm gonna be going on the road. I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot with my friend. Look at photo shoot, look at birthday stuff, I tag along with her, you know. So guys, I'm really excited about that. So it's now, I'm kinda late, I rush for go because I know when I'm going left me. So guys, see you when I get there. It's always when I get there. Let us get there together, okay? Let us get there together. And Odette is fully dressed. We don't want more pripsy, you can't see her too fully yet, but she is absolutely stunning, and Gadisha is just as gorgeous. Wow. And tell us, I don't know, today is just a blessing. It's a blessed day. Mama, it is a blessed day. So guys, see you when you get there. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button down below. Click the post notification bell to stay up to date as regards to when I upload here on YouTube. Remember, it's King Will Squad. Guys, until my next vlog, bye and stay safe, guys.